Hello and welcome to the Nightingale Triangle. Today we have an amazing 2-bedroom, 2-reception room, split level flat with its own private rear garden. This is a really sought after location, so let's start to take a look around the flat. This is the entrance hall with a lovely wooden floor. What a great reception room with double opening, double glazed French windows leading to the private garden and with a built-in cat too. Lots of storage space and fitted shelving and a feature fireplace. I love this very bright dining area which forms part of the infill extension. Very high quality wooden floors are installed in the reception room. This is our fitted kitchen. Again, this has been designed to accommodate as much storage space as possible, as you can see from the high-level, eye-level units. The kitchen has a built-in dishwasher, and I'm not talking about the sink, a washing machine, built-in microwave, and a second door, thank you Sean for pointing that out, that leads to the entrance hall. We have a built-in 4-ring gas hob with electric oven below and extractor fan over. Just through the doorway you will see where the fridge freezer is. This is our reception room too, which is currently being used as a guest room. Huge amount of book shelving and storage space in this room. I could never fill all of those shelves myself. I think this room would make an ideal home office. This is bedroom 2, and as our clients are in the middle of moving, you may see the odd extra sofa or indeed packing boxes, but this is a lovely double bedroom. If you want the balloon stickers left on the wall, just let me know. The white bathroom suite is fully tiled and has a thermostatic shower, which means there will be no loss in temperature if someone runs a tap in another part of the flat. Wow is all I can say about bedroom 1. It's huge with an ample space for a very large desk too. A great range of built-in wardrobe cupboards with fitted shelving, hanging space, and also incorporates a chest of drawers in the middle section. Now, this has to be one of the reasons you clicked upon this property. What a fantastic private garden. Certainly comes into its own during lockdown. The garden is fairly maintenance free with its artificial grass. All I ask you to do is weed the raised borders occasionally, and this is a fantastic magnolia tree. We have a very sunny patio area and a brick-built store cupboard too. Thank you for watching our video tour of Tantallon Road. It really is a very nice flat in a great location, just a few minutes walk from Balham Tube and mainline station. If you have any questions or indeed wish to arrange a viewing, please do contact Porter's Estate Agents on 020 8772 1004. Thank you.